Hello Aries, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for April 8 to April the 14th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So, Aries, nakakakita tayo dito na parang bumibuelo lang tayo. Inaantay natin yung time na, kumbaga, mabigyan tayo ng break, no? Whether this is with regard to the finances or career or sa ating relationship. I feel like marami tayong mga bagay na sabihin natin pinagkakabisihan right now. Kung hindi man through actions, no? Yung isip natin masyadong busy, no? Masyado tayo maraming iniisip, masyado tayong maraming gustong simulan. All of those were sabihin natin kaka-improve natin, no? Whether it is improvement of finances, improvement of your career, no? Or improvement of your relationship. For the most numbers of you na nandito po, no, is because of the relationship. I think na medyo sinasabi mo dito, nawawalan na ng time, energy, parang hindi naman siya, parang nauubos. There you go. Nababawasan. Yun. Itong time, energy, yung generosity, no, nitong person natin. We're waiting for something to work on. I think meron na tayong iniisip. It could be a plan. I think na sisimulan natin ito this week. Binabalance lang natin, no? Kumbaga, are we gathering informations here? Are we trying to um, execute na ba, no? Kasi with the high priestess, nandito na tayo sa almost, no? Nabalanse na natin. I think we are doing some trials and errors. For a few numbers of you, especially dun sa singles, sa mga no labels, or dun sa mga may crushes, siguro ito na yung time na bukod sa nagsabi tayo ng gusto nating um, mangyari dito sa ating relationship, parang sinasabi natin dito also na kailangan may gawin ako, no? And I think unti-unti kong sinisimulan. Yung iba, this is a plan na kailangan magkaroon kami ng relationship, kailangan magkaroon kami ng commitment. You have been working on this. Matagal na itong nasa isip, no? But I think that this is the execution kasi nakukulangan na nga tayo. So when it comes to in a married relationship, uh, or in a relationship and married couple, I feel like hindi tayo pumapayag or hindi tayo papayag na uh, itong relationship na ito is maging malamig, no? Ka-summer-summer, lumamig ang relationship. Third-party situation, I feel like hindi rin ako papayag na mawala ka sa akin, no? So, I think that this is the time na kailangan kong I need to stand my ground. I need to fight for this relationship, no? With the lovers, Eight of Wands, the stars, the Nine of Swords, the Five of Wands. Now, for a few numbers of you, you might be you might be competing with another energies. What I mean by that is, sabihin natin baka naman feeling natin, no, itong attention kaya lumalamig, no, ang attention ni person ay nababaling sa iba, whether this is through because we're seeing here Eight of Wands, no. In a modern time, this signifies usage of technology. So baka meron siya mga nakikita tayong kinakausap, no? Online, whether this is through ML, yung mga games na yan, madami akong actually naririnig, no? About sa ML na yan. Even before, marami nagkaka-developan dyan. Or Instagram, no? Facebook, yung mga messengers na yan. I think na feeling mo may kinakausap. Whether this is true or not, you might, parang sinasabi mo dito, kailangan maibalik sa akin yung attention. For a few numbers of you already know that this connection is a twin flame connection. Chances are, kasi you place the person in a pedestal right off the bat. So parang tayo ang nagbigay masyado ng naging generous sa ating time, energy, efforts, love. Tapos, medyo naiinis tayo kasi hindi tayo na-reciprocate. Kung baga, hindi na-reciprocate yung ginagawa natin. So, with the Five of Wands in here, parang nagkakaroon kayo ng conflict, ano? Singles. Ayan. Sa mga singles, may crushes. I feel like meron tayong gustong, parang we're pulling the energy towards us. No? Parang hinihila natin itong energy papunta sa atin. Kaya siguro meron tayong mga hakbang na ginagawa, no? Sa mga no labels, I feel like sandali, ako yung nauna dito. Parang, ang masakit kasi dito, parang ikaw ang nagtanim or kahit sa anong type of relationship, to, kahit anong stages. Ang masakit kasi, you're investing, no? For this person to become a good person. You're giving everything, di ba? Um, Parang nagiging best version yung person natin, no? Of themselves. Tapos, ang masakit yung iba yung makikinabang. Totoo naman. Lalo na kung may nasa third party situation, I feel like sandali, ah, kumbaga, halos ako ang bumuo sa'yo. Hindi sa pag, ang tawag dito, panunumbat, no? Pero kung wala ako, nasan ka ngayon, no? Even sa married and in a relationship, di ba ganon? Baka nakakalimutan mo, no? Kaya nga nandito ako para ipagtanggol or ma-survive natin kung ano yung nangyayari sa relationship natin. Dahil hindi rin naman ako papayag, no? I didn't do everything for nothing. No, huwag na tayo makipagplastikan na, no, yung love, ganyan-ganyan, na, um, dahil hindi ako naghahangad ng kapalit. No, that's ka-impokritohan for me, ha? Kasi if you are in a relationship, you want, this is a two-way street, no? Pwedeng nandun tayo sa start na, sige, sabihin natin, at first, ginagawa ko to, pero I am expecting something in return. Sabihin mo nang I'm investing, so what? No? Ganun din naman. So, di sana, kung ginagawa ko to, nakipagrelasyon na lang ako sa sarili ko, baka mas masaya pa ako. Diba? So, ito yung nakikita ko. So, parang ang ginagawa mo ngayon is you're standing your ground para ipagtanggol kung ano yung meron ka at para ma-survive itong relationship na ito. No? Again, gusto ko lang po ipaalala sa inyo na sa kabilang channel, dun po tayo nagla-live Pabaylan TV. Pero kung hindi po kayo panood nung live or nakakasali sa live, pwede naman po kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot lang, dumiretso na po kayo din sa ating website, no? There's a link sa description box ng video na ito. There's a link. Click the link. Makikita nyo po, dadaling kayo doon sa ating website. Nandun po yung information, amount per question, name, number, QR code for your reference. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 dahil discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, and nandun din po siya. No? So, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. These can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Pisces, Leo, Sagittarius, Scorpio, Cancer, Aquarius, Taurus, Virgo, Gemini, Capricorn. No? So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye. Hello Taurus, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for April 8 to April the 14th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, doon po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So, pwede po kayong sumali doon. I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate lang po sa mga kaunting parts lang ng reading. Take what's only yours. Taurus. Bakit parang nangihinayang tayo kasi hindi umuusad, hindi lumalago, hindi nagpo-progress, no? Itong relationship na ito. Siguro yung iba sa inyo sinasabi, ay naku, hindi ko namalayan na or hindi ko nakita na meron palang immaturity itong aking person. Parang late ko na nakita. So parang kasi ang nararamdaman natin, nagbe-babysit tayo, no? Ang nararamdaman natin, hindi natin nakukuha din yung, let's say, meron tayong tinatanong, no? Meron tayong gustong malaman. Parang ginagawa pang puzzle, no? Parang ginagawang laro lahat. Sayang yung time. Kaya naiinis ka kasi minsan, pag tinanong mo, kailangan mong paulit-ulitin, no? Kailangan paulit-ulit-ulit-ulit bago siya sumagot. Minsan hindi pa sasagot. So you're thinking that this person might be playing, no? Sa mga singles, siguro na nararamdaman natin ay pinapaasa tayo. Sa mga singles, siguro sinasabi nito, sumasakay lang ito sa akin sa trip ko kasi crush ko siya, no? O ganun din sa mga may crushes kasi nagpaparamdam ako ng or nagbibigay ako ng interest, nagsasabi ako ng aking emotion kaya ganun, no? Baka pinapasakay or sumasakay lang to sa trip ko, no? Sa mga no labels and situationship, so ang nakikita natin dito parang medyo may mga bagay na um, kahit papano nare-reciprocate naman. Kaso ang dating nito is come and go. So parang nandiyan siya tapos biglang mawawala. Parang ang dating kung kailan niya lang trip, no? Mag-reciprocate. Ayan. Kung kailan niya lang trip makipag-usap. Ayan. Ganon din sa inner relationship. Siguro nandito tayo sa part na hindi naman to ganito dati, no? Sa mga inner relationship siguro nagsimula ito ng maganda, no? Ang ayos-ayos, parang naiisip mo tuloy, ningas kugon ba itong aking person? What do I mean by that? Ningas kugon is yung magaling lang sa simula, no? Sa simula ang ayos-ayos, and then pagdating ng panahon, parang nananawa. So, ganun ba? Yung married, um, sa marriage type, dito pumapasok yung nagbe-babysit ba ako? Especially kung may anak ko na, no? Parang meron akong plus one na anak. Masyado akong, hindi naman na-losyang, pero naging sobrang mature ako dito sa relationship na to. It is because hindi lang either isa ang aking inaalagaan, kung isa lang yung anak, no? Parang lagi may plus one. Kung wala pang anak, edi parang nagkaanak ka. Kasi nga, is it you na binibaby mo? I feel like there are times, pero I feel like kung merong pabebe, ito yon, no? Ng mga lalaking pabebe din eh. Sa third party situation, I feel like medyo rocky itong situation ngayon or nitong lately dahil hindi ito nagkakausap, no? Hindi ito naglalalabas. Ayan ang sinasabi natin. So with the 9 of Wands, the 4 of Wands, the Ace of Wands, the Page of Pentacles, the Three of Swords. Three of Swords is clarified by the Queen of Wands and the Two of Cups. Somehow maganda itong nangyayari. I feel like, paano naging maganda? May issue nga. I feel things are covered up, no? Things are sabihin natin, hindi masyadong napapakita. There may be times na we're pulling the energy towards us. There may be times na meron tayong mga gustong gawin or gusto niyong gawin para mapasaya tayo. And there's nothing wrong with that, no? Kasi ito yung gusto ko eh. Ito yung dito ako sasaya. So I'm probably saying it in verbal form into whatever shapes or form din. Pwedeng pasalitang maayos, pwedeng minsan pabiro or minsan galit na, no? I am not really a demand, but this is more of being true and direct with what I want, no? But with the Nine of Wands, the Four of Wands, and the Ace of Wands, parang naiintindihan naman ni person kung ano yung gusto mong mangyari. Actually, nasa isip niya yun. Ang siste lang is, I feel na itong si person is medyo nangangapa. Medyo, sabihin natin, this might be the very serious connection, no? Ng person mo na kumbaga nakasalamuhan niya, na na-experience niya. Sobrang passionate nitong relationship na ito. And huwag ka mag-isip na just because may nangyayari sa inyo, especially dun sa may mga intimate moments na this is beyond beyond sex, no? So, I feel like there's really emotion in here na nararamdaman ni person. It just so happened na medyo mabagal lang si person mag-process and hindi siya ganun ka-expressive. Kung tatanungin mo ko, if your person does love you, the two of cups is in here. So which means that this may lead, especially dun sa singles, my crushes, no labels, or situationship, this may lead to commitment. Now, if you are in a relationship or married, couple, what I am seeing in here is you might not gonna feel the seriousness, the intensity of the relationship or your person's emotion for you. Kaso, deep inside, no, deep within them, they know na meron na siyang nararamdaman. They know na mahal ka na niya. They know deep inside na ito ng relationship na ito is for you, na for them rather, na pangmatagalan. Kailangan mo lang magtagtay ng medyo kaunti pa, no? And with the Chariot card showed up in here, so you're gonna surpass all the challenges. This is just a pace of the connection, no? And I am seeing may experience mo din kung ano yung totoo nilang nararamdaman. Maybe not so soon, pero nakikita ko dito is this is a relationship that worth waiting, worth fighting, no? Yeah, so this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Now, this can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Pero bago yan, gusto ko lang pong ipaalala sa inyo na sa kabilang channel, Babaylan TV, doon po tayo nagla-live, no? So, pwede kayong sumali. Kung hindi nyo po naaabutan, pwede naman kayong sumali dito sa magtanong sa ating comment section. Ngayon, kung hindi po kayo papatulugan ng yes or no, as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no, ha? Ngayon, kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no, na sagot, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website na doon po yung information, amount per question, name, number, QR code for your reference. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yon. If you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya, no? So let's check the zodiac sign. I am seeing Cancer, Pisces, Sagittarius, Leo, Taurus, Aries, Scorpio. Yeah, so this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye. You want the best of my heart, you just gotta see the good in me. 'Cause I could be the rain in your desert. Hello Gemini, welcome po sa inyong reading. This is for April 8 to April the 14th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. I want you to know na doon po sa kabilang channel, Babaylan TV, doon tayo nagla-live ha. So, this is a general reading. You may resonate po sa buong readings na ito. You may resonate sa konti lang, no? Hindi sa lahat ng readings. Take what's only yours. So, Gemini, simulan na natin. Ang ganda. Your card showed up. So, which means that this message is really for you. Ngayon, ang tanong mo sa relationship na ito, kailan ko makukuha ang para sa akin? Which means the emotion, which means the relationship, um, the communication, yung expression, no, ng love. Kasi I feel like there might be some age gap, no, dito din sa relationship na ito. It may be, or this relationship may be a May December love affair, pwedeng hindi rin naman, kaunti lang yung gap. Or if we're not talking about age or numbers, we might be talking about the maturity, no? For a few numbers of you, baka sinasabi nyo, ay oo nga, no? I'm dealing with a twin flame connection. So kaya um, medyo mahirap, medyo challenging kasi hindi, pwedeng hindi alam ng kabilang party, ng person mo, no? So, you want to change the course of this relationship. I feel like medyo pinapabilis natin ang takbo. So sa mga singles and may mga crushes, siguro nasabi na natin no, itong ating emotion. Nakapagbigay na tayo ng interest, no, nakapagbigay na tayo ng information na ay oo, may gusto ko sa iyo, no? Um, Inaantayin natin yung response. And I feel like we are communicating with this person through internet. You're using technology, no? Pwedeng nagkakilala kayo through an app or doon kayo nag-uusap, messengers, WhatsApp, what have you, no? No labels. I feel like medyo ganun din na kapag sabi na tayo, nag-aantay lang tayo kasi meron nang nangyayari. So there's mutual understanding. Kaya nga nagkaroon na kayo ng situationship. Gusto mong actually nag-aantay ka no? To turn the table or to turn things around na kailan ba kami magkakaroon ng commitment, ng relation, kailan ko ma-experience yung romantic relationship. Kasi itong nangyayari sa amin is more of um, mutual understanding, right? So if you're already in a relationship or married couple, ang nakikita natin dito, medyo gusto natin ibalik kung paano tayo nagsimula. Kasi hindi naman kayo magiging couple or hindi mo siya masasagot or hindi kayo magiging kayo kung ang relationship kung hindi siya nagpakita ng maganda, kung hindi siya nagpakita ng maayos no na pagtrato, pagsuyo no sa iyo. So, what I am seeing in here is medyo gusto natin sandali, pwede na ba natin ibalik kung paano tayo lumalabas dati, kung paano tayo nagko-communicate before kasi parang naging kampante, no? At hindi umuurong itong relationship na ito. When it comes to a third party relationship, I feel like medyo matagal na ito. So, you may be the third party or you may be, the yung kabila. But I am seeing in here, you're waiting na maging two-way street itong relationship, no? For just me and my person, no? Gusto kong normal itong relationship namin. Whether alam ko na yung pinasok ko or nagulat na lang ako na dito pala ako sa ganitong situation, I don't know. No? Ang gusto ko lang is masabi sa akin kung ako ba, kung ako, kung siya. Magiging masakit para sa akin, but then of course, kailangan ko tanggapin, pero ayoko na may ka-share. No? Um, with the Page of Wands, the Ten of Pentacles, the Three of Cups, Three of Swords, and the Page of Pentacles. Three of Swords is clarified by the Queen of Wands and the Judgment. So, ang nakikita natin dito, we are actually looking at nag-aano ba tayo? Nagpa-plan ba? I feel like merong plan sa atin itong ating person. Ngayon pa lang, there might be a celebration that's gonna happen. For a few numbers of you, baka either out of town, no? There might be some travels in here, uh, or out of the country, sana all. Pero your person is looking at something and I think na nag-iipon ito, no? To make bawi ba? Kasi what I am seeing in here is I think meron itong gagawin sa celebration na ito. This is not a holiday. I think that this has something to do with a birthday. I think that this will be your birthday, kaya ngayon pa lang is nagpa-plan na ito. There might be a surprise na hindi mo akalain, no? Singles or sa mga may crushes and no labels. I feel like bukod sa gift or travel or invitation, I feel like this is the commitment na inaantay mo. I think that this will be yung ito yung plan, no? Pero I think na magba-manifest itong commitment or mag-start na itong mag-flow into a committed relationship by on or before, no, your birthday, close to that day, close to that celebration. If you are in a relationship or married couple, I feel like meron siyang pinag-iipunan na narinig niya yung gusto mo, yung sinabi mo, yung suggestions, yung ay ibalik naman natin yung dati. Um, I think pinag-iipunan ito, no? Chances are dito papasok yung out of town or out of the country. It doesn't necessarily mean na kailangan magarbo, pero kailangan pag-ipunan, kailangan paghandaan. Hindi lang pera ang pinag-iipunan dito with the Ten of Pentacles. Also the courage, ang energies. Ba't kailangan ng energy? I don't know, no? Baka kailangan niyang mapagod or kailangan niyong magpagod. Ayan. I feel like meron itong ibibigay kahit papano, no? So there's material things that this person's gonna give you. Whether this is, um, katulad ng sinabi ko, gift, something that you can hold, no? Third party situation, I feel like this will be the start wherein magiging klaro sa iyo yung ang magiging sagot. And I feel like this gift will be given to you because you deserve it, no? Na, okay, I will be focusing on our relationship, no? So this is your reading. Tingnan natin yung zodiac sign. Pero bago yan, gusto ko lang pong ipaalala sa inyo na sa kabilang channel po, Babaylan TV, dun po ako nagla-live, no? So, pwede kayong sumali doon. Pero kung hindi nyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot lang, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website. No? Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Na doon po yung information, name, number, amount per question, QR code for your reference. And take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. No? So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. These can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Leo, Taurus, Gemini. Baka kapwa Gemini ito. Virgo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Capricorn, Libra, Yeah, so this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want the best of my heart, you just gotta see the good in me. 'Cause I could be the rain in your desert.
Hello, Cancer. Welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for April 8 to April the 14th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, doon po yan sa ating kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So nagla-live po tayo doon. Pwede naman po kayong sumali. I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate po sa entire reading na ito or you may resonate lang sa kakaunti, no? Take what's only yours. So simulan na natin. Lately, parang ang daming nangyayari, no? Dito sa relationship na ito. Although, nakikita natin yung stability, pero bakit kailangan may kaakibat na, siguro this is your question, no? Bakit kailangan may kaakibat na hardships, no? Parang kahit yung mga maliliit na plano, nagkakaroon ng aberya, no? To a point wherein, siguro sinasabi natin, eto na ma-achieve ko na no? Sa-success na malapit na ako sumakses, no? Pero hindi ko yung sumakses na yun talaga. No, pero hindi ko, kumbaga, almost, I can see it, I can almost touch it, pero hindi pa, no? I feel like it's so near yet so far. Dun sa mga singles, parang eto na magkakaroon na sana ako no, ng jowa. Kaso parang lagi akong, parang meron akong mga nakikitang mali. So, ako ang umaalis agad or nagkakaroon ako ng, I think that this is because of the past traumas. Hindi naman kita masisisi, but you need to heal from that, no? Crushes, I feel like meron namang ginagawa itong person natin na somehow na-reciprocate niya, napapakilig niya tayo. Pero ang tanong mo, hanggang kilig na lang ba 'to? No, hindi naman ako pangit, no, kasi the Empress showed up. So the Empress is more of aesthetics, 'di ba? So sinasabi natin dito, kailangan ko pa ba? Meron pa ba akong mga dapat baguhin? Do I really need to change, you know, probably my feature? Kailangan ko ba magpagupit, magpakulay ng buhok? And I think that we are also focusing, no, sa ating nagiging self-conscious tayo ngayon, no? Um, Baka kasi din meron kayong plan of meeting with your person. I feel like there's also some troubles in here, kaya ngayon pa lang nag-aano na tayo, nagpe-prepare, no? Are we on a diet for our beach body? Are we going, nagpupunta ba tayo sa gym to tone up, no? But I feel like meron tayong ginagawa dito. Kasi alam nating mamimit natin si person. No labels and in a relationship. Sama na natin yung married couple, no? I feel like, no, doon sa no labels kasi, ang nakikita natin dito, parang nandun tayo sa may mga crushes, no? We were preparing for something kasi mag-meet up. In a relationship or married couple, hindi ko sinasabi na pabayaan nyo yung sarili nyo, the Empress still showing up. But then again, I feel like we are more manifesting ang katuparan ng plan, no? There's really something about the travel. I don't know why. It could be just out of town or out of the country. But I feel like meron din tayong, ang focus natin dito is matuloy yung plan, matuloy yung pag-alis, no? Somehow, we're still also in a, focusing on our body, pero mas more on sa plan. Unlike sa mga singles, crushes, and no labels, more of dito ko sa body, no? Kasi this is secured already. Now I have to change something in my body. Even sa third party, I feel like nandito siya sa in a relationship married and third party, no? Um, Baligtad. I'm focusing on magkasarilingan kami, matuloy itong plan. But also, ito yung focus, secondary, itong aesthetics, no? With this Strength card, the Knight of Swords, the Six of Pentacles, the Hierophant, the Knight of Pentacles. Meron dito na hindi nagsasabi na merong problem sa finances. I feel like with the Ace of Cups and the Six of Cups, so nawawalan ba ng chance? Kasi yung hindi alam, no, nung kabilang party na meron tayong pinagdadaanan ngayon when it comes to financial. It may be you or it may be your person. Baka sabihin nyo, ay, ako okay lang. So baka si person ito may pinagdadaanan. You can switch the energies. What I am reading is the dynamic naman, no? Baka kasi sinasabi nito, sandali, baka ito yung nagiging problem or nagiging issue, no? Ngayon nung person. Or kung hindi ikaw nung person mo. Meron akong bigla ang pinagkagastusan. I don't know if this person needs help kasi gumagawa naman to ng paraan. Pero kung gusto niyo naman, walang sapilitan ito, no? Kung gusto niyo tulungan itong person na ito financially para makasama, I feel like you can do so kasi with a higher fund, no, wala naman itong balasubasin or subain ka, no? Mababayaran naman siya. I feel like baka lang magkaroon ng hindi matuloy. So, sabi nila, you know, money can't buy happiness. Hindi, no? Chances are, most likely, money can buy, but not everything. And this is one of those things na pwedeng, kung meron naman tayong extra, why not sagutin na muna ito, no? And then, I think that itong si person is ibabalik naman yung pera. With the Six of Pentacles in here, I feel like ibabalik naman ito. There's transaction. No? Matuloy lang ang saya. So, with the Knight of Pentacles in here, medyo malayo pa naman. I feel like nagiging stagnant ito. So, doon ito sa... I feel like this reading is very personal, no? Sa mga cancers na merong mga plans to really go out of town or out of the country. But I feel like these will be the challenges na probably hindi nyo alam or hindi ito sinasabi ni person. But I feel like nagkaroon ng issue dahil may bigla ang gastos. Yeah, so this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago po yan, I want you to know na sa kabilang channel po, dun po tayo nagla-live. That is Pabaylan TV. No? Kung hindi nyo po naaabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman po kayong magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot lang, dumiretso na po kayo din sa ating website that sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, i-route po kayo din sa website na doon po yung information, amount per question, name, number, QR code for your reference. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. No? So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, Pisces, Leo, Scorpio. Yan. So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want the best of my heart, you just gotta see the good in me. 'Cause I could be the rain in your desert.
Hello Leo, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for April 8 to April the 14th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, doon po yan sa ating kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. At gusto ko pong sabihin sa inyo na this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces ng reading na ito. Take what's only yours. Simulan na natin. Now, Leo, bakit parang medyo meron tayong kaunting pagsisisi dahil masyado nating binigay ang ating loob or ang tiwala kay person? I feel like naiisip lang natin. Sana pala nagtimpi ako ng kaunti, no? One thing is for sure, there's a tiwala, no? There's someone broke your trust. I feel like whether this is kaibigan, crushes, no, itong ka-MU mo, or yung person mo mismo if you are in a relationship. Kasi parang pinaikot-ikot ka pa. Kasi with what I am seeing in here, siguro may sinabi itong person mo, naniwala ka agad. And I think that the problem is not with you kasi ikaw ay nagmamahal lamang, no, Leo? Ang nangyari kasi dito is meron pang parang hidden, di naman hidden agenda. May backstory kung bakit nangyari yung mga bagay. Let's just say, hindi naman, well, sabihin na natin yung pinaka-common pera. Kasi I'm seeing also pentacles in here. No? Hindi man ito yung pinaka dahilan, pero close to this, no? Let's say, nanghiram ng kaunti. Yung totoong nangangailangan. So, nandun tayo sa part na, okay, meron akong pantulong, bakit hindi? No? But then again, itong pangangailangan niya, it's because of your person's own doings. So, pwedeng dahil siya may kasalanan, bakit naubusan siya? No, ngayon, ang sinasabi mo dito, para kasi hindi aksidente itong information na binigay ni person, no? It just so happened, pwede rin itong yung part na meron kang nakita, tinanong, sinagot niya, na-upset ka. Kumbaga, caught, parang na-corner. So, parang itong si person is wala na akong choice kung di magsabi. So, parang ang naiisip mo dito, kung hindi ko pa itanong, no, kung hindi pa tayo umabot sa ganitong question and answer, wala ka palang balak sabihin sa akin. So, I feel like na feeling mo, your person deceived you. Feeling mo, your person here gives you wrong information or nagtago, no? Sa mga singles, I feel like at first, di ba, naghahanap tayo ng jowa or we're looking for potential, no? Biglang may isip, ay, oy, sandali. I feel like hindi sabi mo sa akin ganito. So, sabi mo sa akin ganito, blah, blah, yada, yada. Then may nakarating sa akin information or nakita ko na parang hindi naman pala ganon. So, are you lying? So, questionable na agad ang iyong record sa akin. No? Sa mga crushes, parang sinasabi mo, sandali, bakit naman may crush ka pang iba? Nandito naman ako. No? So, I feel like ang tagal ko lang may crush sa iyo, tapos ito bago dumating. Medyo masakit. Oo, alam ko. Hindi ko naman pwedeng diktahan kung sino yung gusto mong mahalin, no? Or magustuhan. Pero sana na-consider mo ako, no? Sa no labels or situationship, I feel like parang ganun din sa crushes, no? Ay, bakit sandali? Nauna ako, di ba? Bakit naibaling sa iba? In a relationship or marriage situation, what I am seeing in here is ang feeling mo, no? Medyo nawawala itong pagtingin ni person. Third party, lumalamig, no? With the Ten of Pentacles, the Emperor, the Ten of Wands, Queen of Pentacles, and the Four of Swords. Ten of Wands is clarified by the Two of Swords and the Knight of Cups. So parang nandito ka sa situation na sandali, wait lang ha, magbaback off muna ako. Or hindi ko man ika-cut, no? Pero it almost feels like cutting off. Dun, yung puso parang gusto mo nang ipahinga, no? Ayoko munang patabukin, nahihirapan ako, pero kailangan kong gawin. So you are more in tune with the logic. And that's good. Wala namang masama doon. Kasi what you are protecting is for you not to be hurt. And that's okay, no? Pero I feel like hindi naman ito yung part na meron man kayong mga challenges na parating dito sa all labels of relationship, no? I think that this is the time medyo lalamlam, medyo hindi masyadong mag-progress dahil kailangan ipahinga. So may cooling off stage, parang ganon, or hindi pag-uusap, energetic separation, no? Or it might be a combination of physical and energetic separation. Para po sa mga bago, yung physical separation is self-explanatory. Pwedeng si person nasa kabilang bahay, nasa tapat ng bahay ninyo, no? Your person might be in a different city, state, county, country, different continent. Ayan. In physical, no? Hindi kayo may gap. Energetic separation, pwede naman magkasama kayo sa bahay, nakikita kayo sa school, nakikita kayo sa opisina, pero hindi kayo nag-uusap. So there's still some barricade, there's still some walls, there's still some gap. I feel like this gap will become a little wider dahil sa tampo. I feel like this is more of tampo rather than kailangan lang ipahinga, kailangan lang huminga uli. Kailangan ko lang mag-isip, no? Para at least maintindihan ko rin yung sarili ko bakit ganito yung reaction ko. It might be from the past trauma, or do I really feel like I need some time, no? Kailangan ko ng oras para makapagmuni-muni. Ayan. So, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago po yan, gusto ko pong ipaalala sa inyo na sa kabilang channel, dun po tayo nagla-live. So, that's Babaylan TV. Kung di nyo po yun maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as in question po is answerable by yes or no. No? Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no, nasagot lang, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website. There is a link sa description box ng video na ito. There is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code, amount per question for your reference, no? And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. I'm seeing Leo, Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, Pisces, Scorpio, Aries, Capricorn, Cancer, no? This is your reading, love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want the best of my heart, you just gotta see the good in me. 'Cause I could be the rain in your desert.
Hello Virgo, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for April 8 to April the 14th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, doon po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Yan. I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading or baka konti lang. Now, take what's only yours. Virgo, medyo parang may stress tayo ngayong linggong ito dahil I feel like gusto nating may ma-achieve. So, meron tayong sinabi, probably this is a demand, this might be a request, no? Or this might be something that you said, naisip mo lang, no? Sinabi mo, and then your person said, oo, or gagawin ko, or at least pinakasa tayo, no? But I feel like, sinabi mo dito, parang nagda-doubt ka. Am I demanding or am I saying things too much? Dahil parang feeling mo lang naman, ito ba ay gagawin, matutupad? Probably you're also testing your person, no? Um, let's say sa mga singles or crushes, siguro nagtapat tayo ng emotion, no? Ngayon, we are worried, um, ano kaya yung magiging tingin nitong person na to sa akin, no? Magiging tingin ba niya is mapusok ako, malandi ba ako, no? Or kung lalaking nanonood sa atin, fuckboy ba ako, yung ganyan, no? Kasi parang sinabi mo, sana pala hindi ko muna sinabi. So parang nauna yung salita ng bibig natin, tapos parang medyo nagda-doubt tayo ngayon sa pwedeng mangyari, no? Sa mga no labels, I feel like siguro nakapag-open tayo, no? Na gusto kita, gusto ko magkaroon ng relationship sa'yo. We're very direct on that. Ngayon, wala pang nasagot, wala pang response. Probably you express um, this thing sa um, messenger, no? Or hindi tayo nabigyan ng response agad. Tapos parang sasabi natin, ay shit, parang wrong move. Yun yung parang nagiging ano mo, um, conclusion, no? Parang wrong move yata ako. So in a relationship or marriage, in a relationship, no? Baka kasi nakapagbigay muna tayo ng, or nasabi natin, ay kailangan ko na ng kasal, no? Or I'm ready to have a family. Ayan, patay tayo doon. Tapos biglang, ay shit, ready kaya siya? No? Me and my big mouth. Yun yung parang gusto mo parang gusto, ano ba yan? Um, pero yun kasi yung totoo kong nararamdaman that time. 'Di ba? Kaya ako nasabi. Wala naman yun sa akin. Na-open up ko lang. No? Pero kung mangyayari, that would make me real happy. No? Pero kung hindi, sige, I'm still willing to wait. Kaso lang, ang sa'yo is, baka natakot ko ba si person? No? I'm a little worried. Now, doon sa third party situation or baka sa married couple, no, ready na ako magkaanak, no? Um, baka bigla mo naisip, ay shit, naalala ko pala, napag-usapan namin to before, pero wala naman na siya magagawa. Ayoko lang magkaroon ng masamang impression, no, kay person. So, sa third party, baka nasabi niya, gusto ko ako lang, no? Wala namang masama kasi that's how you feel. You just expressed it, no? Little do you know na ito palang inyong mga sinabi, narinig. Actually, the bottom line here is, I'm going to grant your request. That is true. No, sa singles, um, feeling mo hindi ka narinig ka. Or sa mga crushes, na singles and crushes, almost the same. Narinig kita. I feel like itong week na ito, Virgo, April to 8 to 14, so, a no label situation, or no labels or situationship, siguro this is the time na kailangan mo nang mag-goodbye, no, sa pagiging single mo. I feel like this is the week wherein magkakaroon ka ng status doon sa Facebook, no, na in a relationship with, what do you call this? Nakatag or, yeah, nakalink si person. Wala akong ibang masabi kundi congratulations. I feel like itong lakas ng loob mo is worth taking the risk, worth kumbaga, you risk, and then, para sa mong bahala na si Batman, no? Pero hindi mo naman inaasa. Well, you're hoping, yes, Ah, pero yung sinasabi mo, eto ba yung nakachamba? Hindi eh. Hindi ito chamba. Well, siguro, ito nga rin. Kasi yung part of you wants to say no, part of you wants to say yes, but you did it anyway kasi ayaw mo na rin dito sa situation na you're living in what if, no? What if kung ganito, what if kung ganyan. And I think that you followed your intuition in here and I am seeing bigla kang sumakses, no? Ah, in a relationship or married, um, I feel like meron tayong hiningi dito na ibibigay naman at kayang ibigay, which is gagawin ni person. Whether it is also paglipat ng bahay, no? I think that si person also is looking at some place, maybe not in hindi pa nag-ocular, pero nag-check na siya sa mga Facebook, no? Um, sa paglipat ng bahay. For a few numbers of you wanting to also open up a karinderya or a food stand, whether this is milkshake, coffee, what have you. I feel like this is parang oo din dito si person, no? And I feel like meron siyang good news. Actually, there's some good news. Not some. There's really a good news that your person may bring to the table, no? Third party, baka hindi mo inaasahan. Baka feeling mo nasa third party ka pero you are actually not in a third party situation anymore. You might be in a committed relationship now, no? Napakagandang reading. So, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago yan, gusto ko pong ipaalala sa inyo na dun po sa ating kabilang channel, Babaylan TV, dun po tayo nagla-live, no? So, pwede po kayong magtanong doon. Pero kung hindi nyo naaabutan, pwede naman kayong magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot lang, dumiretso na po kayo doon sa ating website. There is a link sa description box ng video na ito. There is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code for your reference, no? Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. If you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Na? So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Leo, Taurus, Virgo, Pisces, Capricorn, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Cancer. No? This is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want the best of my heart, you just gotta see the good in me. 'Cause I could be the rain in your desert.
Hello Libra, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for April 8 to April the 14th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali, doon po tayo sa ating kabilang channel. Doon, sumali sa live, no? Sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or baka konti lang na reading na ito. Take what's only yours. So simulan na natin, Libra. I feel like medyo na-stress tayo ngayon kasi ang gusto natin is makakita ng pagbabago. Pero parang feeling natin habang ito ay ating pilit, no, ina-achieve, parang yung person naman natin, parang umuoo lang na sige gagawin ko, pero these are all promises na pwedeng mapako. I feel like parang nakikita nyo, wala naman siyang ginagawa. Umuoo o sumasang-ayon sa sinasabi ko. Kaya naiinis ako kasi parang feeling ko, pinapakita niya na naiintindihan niya, no? I feel like kailangan mo uling ipaalala, no? Hanggang parang feeling ko, ginawa na natin yung iba-ibang ways, no? Para matandaan, no? Maalala ni person kung ano man itong gusto nating ipagawa or ating nire-request sa kanya. It comes to a point na parang sinabi mo sa sarili mo, hayaan ko na. Medyo naiinis na ako. So parang ang dating is ikaw gusto mo siyang mabago for a better, for to become a better version of themselves, pero hindi mo alam ikaw pala yung nababago niya and you are becoming somewhat yung mainisin, no? Um, I feel like yung changes bounce back to you, but not in a good way. Somewhat medyo mairitahin tayo ngayon, ano, Libra. Ah, when it comes to singles or mga crushes, no, I feel like parang sinasabi dito, pinapaasa lang tayo, no? Yes, sumasakay doon sa ating trip, no, dahil nga meron tayong gusto, pero feeling mo hanggang dun lang. So, sana parang ang sinasabi mo dito, sana kung hindi, hindi. Kung walang pag-asa, wala. No? Kasi nandito tayo sa parang umaasa tayo eh. I feel like yung no label, yung mga nasa no label or situationship and the third party situation almost the same. May mga pangako na gagawin ito. Ikaw naman sumaya, of course, pinangakuan ka eh. Diba? Sino ba naman hindi sasaya na pinangakuan ka sa isang bagay na gusto mo, pero dumadating yung part na parang, bakit kailangan kong hingin? No? Bakit kailangan kong mag-demand? Or bakit kailangan kong ipaalala palagi? So, medyo nakakainis to a point na parang nawawalan ako ng gana. No? Doon naman sa mga in a relationship or married couple, so ang nakikita natin dito, parang nabibwisit ka dahil kailangan, let's say you have a request, no, for your person to do something. And then, itong taong ito, parang nananadya. Parang feeling mo nananadya. That's how you feel, di ba? Parang sinasadya ka, hindi ka pinapakinggan, no? Ace of Cups, the Hierophant, King of Wands, Queen of Swords, the Hermit. I feel like medyo mainitin ang ulo natin dalawa, no? Nating couple lately. The King of Swords and the Queen of Swords showed up. So kung sino man yung nakakarinig nito, no, whether this is cross-watchers or ikaw mismo Libra, I feel like medyo hayaan natin si person ngayon mag-burst out. Huwag natin salubungin. What I am seeing is there's emotion naman, no? In fact, sabihin natin, kasi the Hierophant is also, also signifies harmony, signifies the, sabihin nating, pagiging maunawain, or pagkakaroon din also ng enlightenment. So does with the Hermit in here, na oo nga, parang sumasobra ako, no? Or hindi na maganda yung aking mga kilos. So, what I'm going to do here is to change. The bottom line here, ang nakikita ko, is si person, ayaw niya na dinidiktahan. Ayaw niya na siguro the way how you deliver your emotions, or deliver or express your feelings, baka kasi medyo sobrang heightened din yung energy natin, that I'm not sure of, this might be the retrograde pero mainitin talaga, or this might be the weather, no, mainit talaga, kaya mainitin din ng ulo ng mga tao lately. But I believe that it has something to do with the retrograde and the so-called, itong bago na lunar. No, it's not lunar. Yung solar eclipse, no? What I am seeing also is there will be an enlightenment right after the pace. Singles and dun sa mga crushes, I think meron din naman itong pagtingin sa inyo. Ayaw niya lang yung parang nakokontrol, na under, or sinasabi yung mga bagay na dapat niyang gawin, no? Sa mga no label couples or nandun sa situationship in a third party situation, I feel like medyo may pride dito kasi ikaw yung kumbaga pumayag ka sa ganitong setup, no? Or whether ginusto mo or hindi mo ginusto, nandito ka na. So which means you're caught up, no? Nandito ka sa isang situation na parang wala kang control. Parang for your person, you don't have the right to say a thing. Medyo kaya nga sabi ko nandito yung pride. Pero nandun din naman yung makokonsensya din siya sa kanyang mga ginagawa. For a few numbers of you na nandito sa in a relationship or marriage situation, medyo katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, medyo nag-iiringan na kayo, no? Medyo may konting away na. I feel like magkakaroon din naman ito ng enlightenment na masasabi niya, ay oo nga, medyo sumosobra ako sa mga nagagawa ko or dito sa aking mga inaasta, no? Wag lang natin salubungin. Siguro ito yung pinaka-bottom line talaga. Wag nating salubungin yung init ng kanyang ulo, no? So, parang pasensya, ganun talaga. Hindi naman always na tayo ang magpapasensya kasi katulad ng sinabi ko, may mga pagbabago magaganap. Ano? So, this is your reading, Libra for April 8 to April the 14th. Bago ko i-reveal yung zodiac sign ni person, gusto ko lang pong ipaalala na dun po sa ating kabilang channel, Babaylan TV. Diyan po tayo nagla-live, no? So, pwede po kayong sumali doon. Pero kung hindi nyo po naaabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as in question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot lang, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website na dun po yung information, name, number, QR code, no? For your reference, take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya, no? So, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. I'm seeing Sagittarius, Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer, Virgo, Capricorn, Leo. Did I just mention Virgo? Yes. Did I said Sagittarius? Yes. Taurus? Yes. So that is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste po and see you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want the best of my heart, you just gotta see the good in me. 'Cause I could be the rain in your desert.
Hello Scorpio, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for April 8 to April the 14th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So, pwede po kayong sumali doon. No? I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. Scorpio, magsimula na tayo. I think that this week will be the week na medyo makikita or mararamdaman natin, no? Na tayo ay ilalagay sa pedestal, no? This might be a parang metaphor na pero makikita mo talaga yung sarili mo, nasa iyo yung attention ni person, nasa iyo itong sabihin nating focus niya. Pero the thing here is, bakit parang ayaw mo yung gagawin? Why? Kasi inaantay mo. So I feel like meron kang sinabi, ni request, that needs to happen on a certain date, pero hindi siya nagawa. So parang feeling mo, napipilitan lang si person na gawin ito dahil late na. Or parang baka kasi iniisip mo, I don't need this anymore. For a few numbers of you na merong separation, para sa mga bago po na hindi alam, no? Kasi I segregated the separation in a 2 different classification, no? Um, Physical and energetic separation. Physical, that's self-explanatory. The person might be in a different city, state, a county, country, different continent, nasa kapitbahay, nasa kabilang isla, nasa tapat ng bahay, it doesn't matter in physical separation. Energetic separation, pwede kasi nagkikita kayo, nasa loob kayo ng isang bahay, nakikita kayo sa school, nakikita kayo sa trabaho, pero never kayo nag-uusap. There is still some separation in there and there is gap. Or this might be a combination. But I feel like ito yung pagsuyo. Ito yung paghabol. Yeah, I feel like merong paghahabol dito na hindi kita kaya mawala. Kasi with the Two of Pentacles, parang feeling mo kasi hindi na tayo nabibigyan ng attention, affection, no? Parang feeling mo na itong attention ni person nawawala na sa atin. To a point we're in with the Page of Cups, baka nga may nagsiselos tayo or meron tayong pinagsaselosan. So, the Three of Wands, we are probably waiting for our person to focus on us, no? Siguro ipinakita mo din or ipinaramdam mo din the Eight of Cups na lumalayo din ang iyong loob, no? Kaya parang, sorry na, alam mo yung mga pagsuyo, yung mga ganon. Kung singles or crushes, siguro nanawa tayo, no? Ng paghahabol-habol, pagpapapampam, na etong si person ngayon, siguro tinamad na tayo, no? Si person ngayon, huy, ikaw naman, meron din akong nararamdaman sa'yo, no? So I think that there's also some revelations for those singles and crushes. Sa mga no labels and probably the third party situation, I feel like meron kang hiningi dito na ibibigay sa'yo. Chances are ito yung pwedeng sabihin natin magsama naman tayo, no, for a few hours or days. This might be a weekend sort of, bonding, whether it is dito lang or sa ibang lugar, no? Yung makapag-sarilinan, Eight of Swords. Dun sa mga married couples or nandito sa mga in a relationship, I feel like bukod dito sa ibibigay, no, parang talagang hindi ito lalabas ng bahay, no, si person. Mapapansin mo na mag-i-stay lang siya dito sa bahay ninyo, or sa mga in a relationship, nakabisita lang siya, hindi aalis, nandun lang, no? Tambay doon sa bahay ninyo. Nine of Pentacles, the Sun, the Four of Wands, the Eight of Swords, the Judgment. Eight of Swords is clarified by the Ace of Pentacles and the King of Swords. So, ang nakikita natin dito, so you are, para kasi meron siya ibibigay that you're gonna be happy to a point wherein mararamdaman mo na your person is either protecting you, protecting the connection, or baka na dito kasi yung magiging parang territorial, no, si person, na parang, oy, akin to, no? Merong sense of ownership din, no? Walang gagalaw dito, akin lang to, no? So, parang feeling nito is akin kapag may-ari kita, no? Kahit sa lamok, hindi kita pwedeng padapuan, no? So, dun sa mga singles or crushes, baka ito na din yung time na mararamdaman mo, no? Na, or isama natin yung no labels or nandun sa situationship na ipaparamdam sa'yo ni person na importante ka din. Ipaparamdam ni person na you matter. Ipaparamdam ni person na may halaga, no? Yung presensya mo sa buhay nila. Yan. So, doon naman po sa mga in a relationship and a married couple, parang yung ipapakita niya dito is parang pagsuyo, parang liligawan ka uli, no? Parang sasabihin na, I feel like there's something gonna happen. It might be a sweet nothing, pero chances are, ito yung kilig. I don't know, pero ang pinaka bottom line nitong week na ito is a kilig moment that will start from the weekend. Siguro nga dahil napapansin din niya na medyo napabayaan or tinatamad siya or tinatamad ka. Kumbaga ito yung part na babawi ako. Kailangan kong bumawi. For a few numbers of you, baka meron ding ditong plan, no, of going out or probably going somewhere. It might be a plan of having a vacation, or ilalabas ka, no? But I'm seeing this might gonna happen either tanghali or gabi, or hapon or gabi, no? In between that. If this is a date, I feel like, uy, sa mga third party ha, nakikita ko dito baka makapag check-in, no? Or makapunta nga, no, vacation sa ibang lugar. Yeah, but I am seeing na ifo-focus nito ni person, no, ang kanilang attention sa iyo bilang ganti doon sa mga nawalang araw, sa mga araw na parang feeling nila na sayang, no? Bago ko tingnan yung zodiac sign ng person na binabanggit ko, if that matches your the zodiac sign of your person, gusto ko lang pong ipaalala sa inyo na sa kabilang channel po, Babaylan TV, doon po tayo nagla-live. So, pwede po kayo magtanong doon. Pero kung hindi nyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot lang, dumiretso po kayo dun sa ating website. There is a link. Now, sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code, no? Amount per question. Ayan. So, take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yun. If you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya, no? So, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Cancer, Taurus, Pisces, Sagittarius, Virgo, Leo, Scorpio, Aquarius, Capricorn. Yan. So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want the best of my heart, you just gotta see the good in me. 'Cause I could be the rain in your desert.
Hello Sagittarius, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for April 8 to April the 14th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, doon po yan sa ating kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV, no? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So, sumali po tayo, no? Huwag pong matakot. I want you to know that this is a general reading. So, you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. Simulan na natin, Sagittarius. I feel like things are happening or falling into places according to our plan. No? Parang itong week na ito, lahat mangyayari ng inyong inaasahan, wini-wish, nire-request, nang halos wala kayong kahirap-hirap, no? It might also be a previous request. It might also be a demand, no? In the previous weeks, previous days, previous weeks, or in a previous month, no? For a few numbers of you, it may come a little late. For a few numbers of you, it will come instant. One thing's for sure. It is a celebration or your heart will be parang we are gonna jump for joy because of the celebration that this scenario may bring to us. The King of Swords kasi ito yung parang sinasabi nating si person, no? Parang meron siyang gagawin to either protect the connection, to protect your peace of mind, to protect you, no? I think that this is more of protection from what? Protection from being apart. With the Three of Cups kasi, I'm seeing celebrations. There might be something in here na pwedeng lalabas kayo, no? You might be gonna go out or you might be going out at night. This might be a date with the King of Swords, clarified by the Five of Cups and the Five of Wands. Chances are, medyo may konting sigalot, away, misunderstanding na nangyayari dito, no? So parang ito babawi. And I think that itong sigalot na to or challenges kinda happen very quickly and sandali lang din itong challenges na ito. Parang as in dadaan lang, no? To a point na parang hindi nga kayo nag-away, no? Or hindi kayo nagkaroon ng gap, no? Whether this is a physical or energetic separation, no? Physical separation, para po sa mga bago, ito po yung your person might be in a different city, state, county, country, literally in physical, no? Magkahiwalay tayo. Energetic separations, pwede kasing ito yung nakikita nga kayo sa loob ng bahay o nakikita kayo sa opisina, nakikita kayo sa school, pero hindi naman kayo nag-uusap. There's still some gap in there, no? But I feel like may pagsuyo, merong ano ba tong sasabihin na ito? Gusto kita makausap. Makikipag-meet, no? The Justice, the Empress, the Strength card, the Magician, and the Ace of Cups. Sa mga singles, I feel like siguro meron ditong isang matinding pag-uusap na gagawin kayo. Meron din dito mga pag-amin, no? Meron ditong pag-reveal ng kanyang or pag-express ng kanyang emotion. Ganun din sa mga may mga crushes, no? No labels. I feel like hindi mo na ma-distinguish yung pagkakaroon ng no label. Parang mas ipaparamdam sa inyo na kayo na, no? To a point na baka nga ito din ang revelation, no? Na pwede bang tayo na? Ayan. Doon po sa mga in a relationship or sa mga magjowa, I feel like it's more than just pagbabate, no? There might be a surprise, including dun sa married couple. It also makes me feel na parang meron itong regalong ibibigay. Well, this might be something material, or this might also be an expression of love, no? Intimate moments that might gonna happen. The Justice, the Empress, Strength card, Magician, and the Ace of Cups. I feel like meron tayo ditong hiningi. Tulad ng sinabi ko, upfront, medyo ibibigay. Yung iba nga late lang, I think pa-surprise itong gagawin. With this Strength card. Pwedeng humiram siya, what do you call this? Makipag-connive siya sa ibang tao, like mobs, no? To give you the surprise. The Justice card, I feel like this is the situation wherein you're gonna feel your person, the expression here is you're very important to me. For a few numbers of you, baka yung pamper day, no? Iti-treat kayo sa either gupit, color, massage, or gagawin nyo yan sa sarili nyo. There's something about physicalities, no? Na parang meron kayong gagawin with the Strength card, or kung kayo mismo, no, itong person ninyo, nagre-request kayo na, uy, magpagupit ka naman, mukha ka ng ganito, mukha ka ng ganyan, no? Gusto kong ibalik mo, umayos ka ng pananamit, umayos ka, there's something about physicalities. I feel like isa-surprise ka niya kung, let's say, kung nabuburyon ka na sa mahaba niyang buhok, siguro, alam niyo yung mga makeovers na napapanood natin sa mga social medias, no? I think ganun yung gagawin niya. From yung the old look and the new look, no? So, parang may magkakaroon kayo ng comparison na sasabihin niyo, ay, gusto ko yung ginawa mo. Or gusto ko yung the way how you dress. It can also be the way how they speak. They're all doing this for you. So there is an offer to make you happy, no? So this is your reading. Gusto ko lang pong ipaalala sa inyo, no, na sa kabilang channel, Babaylan TV, doon po tayo nagla-live. Pwede po kayo magtanong doon. Pero kung hindi nyo po naaabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot lang, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link, no? Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code, amount per questions for your reference. And take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yon. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. No? Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Pisces, Cancer, Leo, Scorpio, Libra, no? And Sagittarius. This is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste po. And see you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want the best of my heart, you just gotta see the good in me. 'Cause I could be the rain in your desert.
Hello Capricorn, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for April 8 to April the 14th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button. Comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate. And hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So pwede po kayong sumali doon. No? Huwag po kayong matakot. I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or baka konti lang ng reading na ito. Take what's only yours. Simulan na natin, Capricorn. So, parang nag-aalinlangan tayo kung gagawin ba natin ang isang bagay. So, parang meron tayong gustong gawin, may push na, no? From some force we don't know, na parang, sige na, parang may bulong din, gawin mo, no? Na, ikaw naman, nagdadalawang isip. But I feel like you should listen, no? To that intuition. You should listen to that gut feeling. Kasi parang, sa ikabubuti din to sa ikasasaya. I feel like this might be a missed opportunity kung pipigilan natin, no? Ang ating damdamin para sabihin natin i-control or wag gawin itong bagay na ito. Like for singles, or dun sa mga may crushes, no? Let's say, kung meron tayong nakikitang isang tao, I think that this is the time for you to express what you feel. Hindi mo naman kailangan, kahit na ipagsigawan ito or ipabillboard kung ano yung nararamdaman mo, no? Just by simply, kahit siguro magpalipad hangin lang tayo, no? Mapipick up ito ni person rather than keeping it to ourselves, no? Dun sa mga no labels situation or pwedeng third party, you might have some request. It might be a demand, a wish na pwede nating sabihin gusto nating ma-experience. I think pwede natin itong gawin kahit na either pabulong or pabiro, no? Parang palipad hangin din I think na ibibigay sa atin, no? There's something about our wish will be granted. The 9 of Cups is in here. Doon po sa mga in a relationship or some married situation, no? I feel like meron kang gusto ditong hingin sa kanya. It may be a literal thing or it might be them, no? Kung meron kayong separations na nasa ibang lugar. Pwedeng either umuwi ka na or magbakasyon ka naman, no? I feel like ibibigay ito, magkita naman tayo, no? For those who are physically separated with the person, kahit walang problema, no? Uh, I feel like, ang nagiging issue kasi natin dito yung absence, no? Nung tao. Siguro there's longing in here. Parang sinasabi natin, nakakamiss na rin kasi, no? Itong presensya mo. Gusto kitang manghawakan, makausap, makita, no, sa personal. Doon po sa iba naman na nandito naman yung kanilang person, I feel like, umalis naman tayo, mag-date naman tayo. We probably need some vacation, no? This might be yung kahit konting kapritsyo, manood naman tayo ng sine. I feel like ibibigay naman sa atin ito. The Five of Wands, the Empress, the Queen of Cups, the Seven of Cups, the Justice. Five of Wands is clarified by the Three of Cups and the King of Wands. I feel like meron ditong misunderstanding, no, doon sa mga merong energetic separations. Energetic separations, ito po yung nakikita naman kayo pero hindi kayo nakapag-usap. I think that communication is really the key, no, para maayos ito. Maraming bagay or paraan kung paano natin sasabihin ito with the Seven of Cups, no? Six of Swords and the Knight of Swords. Pwedeng i-post natin. Hindi yung problema, no? Kundi yung solusyon. Or it can be a song. Or it can be literal, kahit wag mo na siyang i-post, direktahin mo na we need to talk. Yung tone, kailangan maayos. I feel like, kung gagawin naman ito, basta maayos yung tone, ha? Basta maayos po ang pagdi-deliver. Ayan. I feel like maayos din naman kung ano yung sigalot dito, no? And I think na maayos ito sa labas, which means it could be a date, it could be a party, it could be sa inuman session. I'm also hearing karaoke, no? So baka sing along. I feel like meron itong i-dedicate sa'yo. If you want to check their profile or Facebook profile, baka meron itong mga kanta or quotes. You might not gonna be tagged in this. Pwede rin naman nakatag kayo, but chances are, alam nyo kung sino yung tinutukoy ni person and that is you. Hindi ito parinig na para siraan. This is parinig para more of humingi ng tawad, makapag-ayos, or it could be a parinig, cute parinig, no, na let's say, lumabas naman tayo, no? Yung mga sweet nothings, I feel like dadaanin ito sa ibang way or shape ng communication. There might also be something in here na magugustuhan nila na ginawa mo. This can be nagpagupit ka ng buhok, nagpakulay ng buhok, nagpa-ribbon, nagpakulot, what have you, no? I feel like there is some physical changes in you with the Empress na parang mas lalo nilang masasabi, ay, bagay sa'yo yan, gusto ko yung ginawa mo, gusto ko yung nangyayari. And I feel like meron ka rin gustong sabihin sa kanila, like, appreciation. And I feel like mapapasaya mo itong taong to kapag narinig nila sa'yo na na-appreciate mo sila. Yung misunderstanding dito, I feel like hindi lang nagkatugma or iba yung interpretation, but I feel like maayos din ito, pero kailangan, no? Kasi there's temptation in here for you to take action. Whether it is literal, sabihin mo verbally, or i-post mo siya, or tumawag ka na lang using your phone, or, WhatsApp, Messenger, what have you. So, I am seeing pagkakaayos. I am seeing harmony. and wish granted, no? Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago po yan, gusto ko pong ipaalala sa inyo na sa kabilang channel po, Babaylan TV, dun po tayo nagla-live, no? So, pwede kayong sumali doon. Kung hindi nyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no lang, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website. Dun po sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code, no, for your reference. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. No? So, Capricorn, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Cancer, Libra, Virgo, Pisces, Sagittarius, Scorpio, did I said Pisces? Yes. Leo. Scorpio is napaka-dominant, no? So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want the best of my heart, you just gotta see the good in me. 'Cause I could be the rain in your desert.
Hello po Aquarius, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for April 8 to April the 14th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button. Comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate. And hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, doon po yan sa ating kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel, catered for our international audience. So, pwede po kayong sumali doon, no? I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. Simulan na natin Aquarius. So, ang nakikita natin dito, parang ito yung time na wag na tayong magdalawang isip, no? Kasi chances are, pag pinagbigyan natin yung doubt dito sa ating pag-iisip, chances are mamimiss natin yung opportunity na ito na matagal na nating inaantay. With the Hermit, the Chariot, the Justice, the 9 of Cups. Napakaganda ng flow. However, dito tayo magkakatalo sa Hangman, the Temperance, and the King of Pentacles. Dahil siguro heighten yung iyong emotion, no? Either galit ka, masama ang iyong timpla, no? Nasira ang iyong araw, chances are hindi mo ito papansinin. Kahit na alam mong ito ang magiging solusyon para magkasundo, magkausap, magkita, magkaroon kayo ng pagkakaayos. I feel like matagal na itong misunderstanding na ito. Meron ding mga chances na dapat magkita kayo, hindi lang natupad because for some reason, I feel like either meron dito kailangan bumawi, no? With the Justice. I feel like ito yung magiging answers, no? Doon sa mga issues, sa mga nangyayari, sa again, pagkakaayos. With regard to the singles, for singles and may mga crushes, I think that this is also the time para somehow ma-express natin yung nararamdaman natin. Somehow masabi natin, no? I think that this is also the time wherein your person will understand what you're going through. Kung meron tayong mga pinagdadaanan, let's say nasasaktan tayo, pwede naman nating iparamdam, no, sa kanila na, oy, kahit paano nagsiselos ako, alam kong wala akong karapatan, dun sa mga singles, crushes, and no labels, no? Pero nakakasakit, naiintindihan niya. So, dahil meron din ditong emotion kahit papano, I feel like gagawa ito ng paraan para hindi ka masaktan, no? So, kung meron man dito mga selos, I think i-eliminate yun, no, ni person. With, dito po sa mga in a relationship or married couple, meron kang gustong i-clarify dito, kung saan ito galing, bakit ito nawala, saan ito pumunta, sino ang kasama, no? There might be something that this person said, pero s- I think that you think that you are assuming you're smelling something fishy na hindi ka naniniwala. For you, parang medyo joke, no? Parang sa'yo may konting hinala. I feel like mapapatunayan ito ni person. All you just need to do is to really ask, no? In a serious way. Wala namang sigawan ako makikita. And I feel like may mga ebidensyang ipapakita din naman ito si person para patunayan na hindi totoo yung hinala mo. No? Doon sa third party situation, I feel like meron ditong sasabihin si person na ikatutuwa at ikasasaya ng iyong puso, no? The Tower, the Eight of Wands, the Magician, the Emperor, the Three of Wands. Siguro si person is more of nonchalant, no? Si person ay hindi pala express ng kanyang nararamdaman, no? The Tower is clarified by the Page of Pentacles and the Six of Cups. Para doon po sa mga nagkaroon ng sigalot, away, misunderstanding, I feel like itong either ikaw o yung person mo or both of you naging madabot sa pag-explain kung ano yung nangyayari. Eight of Wands in here, I feel like ito lang ang kailangan, communication, which I feel na nagkaroon lang ng hindrance because of the Emperor. I feel like there's some influence in here, the Four of Cups and the Three of Pentacles. Whoever this influence is, it could be a mother figure, it could be a father figure, it doesn't matter. Someone with authority na kanilang pinakinggan, na pwede natin sabihin nakasira ng diskarte ni person or nakasira ng diskarte, nakasira sa flow, no, ng inyong um, relationship. I feel like magkakaroon ng kaliwanagan dito si person na dapat hindi niya pinapakinggan or kung papakinggan man niya, dapat kinoconsider niya kung ano yung nararamdaman mo. I think na meron ding buyo dito, but I feel like magkakaroon din kasi dito ng katulad ng sinasabi ko, no, meron siyang ilalabas na mga evidence si person na this is not just my doing, I may be influenced by this, no? So parang magkakaroon kayo ng both kaliwanagan kung sino ba yung either naninira or challenged, no? Or blockage dito sa relationship na ito. And I feel like maayos ninyo kung ano man yung sinasabi nating blockage, matitibag ninyo kung ano man itong wall na ito. Doon sa mga singles, crushes, I feel like, sabihin natin kahit papano, may naligaw, no? Umakit or yung attention ni person nabaling sa kanila. But I feel like panandalian lang and mamimiss din niya yung mga ginagawa mo. I feel like medyo lumayo tayo ng kaunti kasi nga nagselos or sabihin natin hindi tayo masyadong nagpapakita, no? Nag-express lately. Doon sa mga no labels and probably third party situation, meron kang inaantay dito eh. Probably you requested it a long time ago na hindi naman ito na naibigay, hindi ito nai-offer, no? Or hindi na paghandaan. But I feel like hindi pa rin naman yan maibibigay. However, maaalala niya and there will be a reschedule of it. In a relationship and marriage situation, siguro nami-miss nyo, no, both of you, yung mga dati nyo kinakainan, dati nyo pinupuntahan, probably babalik kayo doon, walking down memory lane, or mapag-uusapan. I'm seeing sweet conversations in here kahit medyo malayo, no? Sa isa't isa. And I think that this will be a bond for the both of you to continue and strengthen, no, your connection. So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago po yan, gusto ko pong ipaalala sa inyo na dun po sa kabilang channel, Babaylan TV, no, dun po tayo nagla-live. Pwede po kayong sumali doon. Kung hindi nyo maabutan, pwede naman kayong magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot lang, dumiretso na po kayo doon sa ating website. There is a link sa description box ng video na ito, nandun po yung link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi po discounted yon. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. No? So Aquarius, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Scorpio, Sagittarius, Taurus, Leo, Virgo, Pisces, Aries, Cancer, Libra, Leo, Capricorn. Yeah, Virgo is here, Cancer is here. Yan. So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want the best of my heart, you just gotta see the good in me. 'Cause I could be the rain in your desert.
Hello Pisces, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for April 8 to April the 14th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali, you're very much welcome. Kung hindi niyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section. No? As long as yung question po answerable by yes or no, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So, pwedeng para sa inyo yung buong reading na ito or baka part lang ng ibang ng reading. Take what's only yours. Pisces, simulan na natin. Parang meron tayong nudge or kinukutuban tayo. Pero, bakit? I think binabalance natin, no? We're seeking for either proof, evidence. Maganda naman yung ginagawa mo kasi nandito ka sa part na you're weighing things up, no? Should I just listen to my intuition without facts, or should I also gather facts and match it up with my intuition? So, siguro nagkaroon ka rin ng time dati na you followed your intuition and parang medyo nalihis tayo. So now, nag-iingat tayo na parang sinasabi mo dito, what I am going to do here is to gather facts. I am working on it right now. Somehow, no, meron tayong mga either inilalabas na information. Pero let's say, minamanage natin, or if we're taking risk, this might be a calculated risk. Parang ang galing mo maglaro dito no? With the 5 of Cups in here, parang sinasabi mo, ayoko dumating yung time na sasabihin wala akong ginawa. Ayoko yung dadating din yung time na sasabihin nagpa-banching ako, no? Ayoko yung sasabihin na masyado din naman ako, no? Na sumusobra ako sa pag-control, sumusobra ako sa pag-manipulate. So, what I am seeing in here is you are balancing. Kasi the 10 of Swords in here, parang meron kang pilit na either binabago dito sa iyong ways of either being na na-accumulate. I think that you are also trying to improve things, no? This is more of working on yourself, working within yourself. I think that this is going to affect the relationship with you, your person, with your family. But it must start within you. So kung relationship reading ito sa mga singles or dun sa mga crushes, I feel like yes, meron akong information na nilalabas, no, or nagpo-post ako, it's about you. Although, kahit meron akong mga information, I know na medyo calculated pa rin itong ginagawa ko. No? Sa mga no labels, and a third party situation, what I am seeing in here is patuloy pa rin natin ginagawa ang mga bagay, no? Na nakasanayan natin. Pero somehow, medyo um, isinasa utak mo, no? Meron ka kasing gusto mangyari dito eh. Either gusto mo ng sagot or ayaw mo nang maulit yung mga nakaraang pain, no? In a relationship or married couple, I feel like meron kang gustong either baguhin or i-offer, no? Para mabago yung course ng inyong relationship. With the Page of Wands, the Five of Swords, the Two of Wands, Four of Swords, clarified by the Knight of Swords, the Queen of Swords, and the Six of Swords. Pinipilit ba natin? I feel like medyo napapagod tayo sa mga nangyayari, or napapagod na tayong kakapost, napapagod na tayo sa mga bagay. However, with the Five of Swords, in here, nakikita kasi natin na we are already winning. Although, kasi wala naman chart yung growth natin, kaya hindi natin nakikita yung progress, I feel like with the Five of Swords, kala natin wala namang nababago, kala natin hindi nag-improve. I think na medyo, siguro sa sarili natin, parang nawawalan tayo ng enthusiasm. Why? With the Four of Wands and the King of Swords, meron kang gustong gawin pero parang feeling mo either is it too soon or napapangunahan tayo ng katamaran. Parang lately, bago pa gawin, bago pa natin simulan, bago pa natin gawin, nasasabi natin sa sarili natin na, ay, pagod na ako. So, we are looking at something, ay wow, lalo na dito sa mga mag-asawa or in a relationship who would love to probably cohabitation, lumipat ng bahay, magsama. No, I feel like this is the week wherein both of you are going to talk about this and agree on things. Lalo na kung gustong bumukod, no, yung mga married couple. For those who are in a no-label situation, I think that there's something in here, like an energy that you can call your own. I think ganun din dito sa singles and mga crushes. Is it the time na nakikita nyo ng stability? Wag lang tayong mainip, no? Kasi with the Six of Swords, although we are not seeing it in our naked eyes or hindi siya visible, pero yung energy flow is actually moving. With the Two of Wands in here, konting-konti na lang no, achieve mo na yung commitment, yung relationship na medyo gusto nating ma-achieve or ma-experience, no? Ganun din sa third party situation, siguro meron kang pinapapili, no? Siya ba o ako? But I feel like magfo-focus siya sa'yo and more of, sige, kakalimutan ko yung kabila. Pero wag nating madaliin dahil meron tong sariling time frame, no? So in a relationship and married couple, katulad ng sabi ko, baka ito din yung time na magsasarili na. This is going to happen very soon. Wag lang tayong mapagod dahil alam ko meron tayong mga pinagdadaanan kasama siguro yung family ni person or including yung family. I think na magkakaroon din kayo ng moments na magkaroon ng sarilinan. Wag lang nating isipin siguro yung mga challenges for now. Continue what we're doing dahil we're very close to achieving, no, itong ating goal. Ayan. So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago po yan, I want you to know na dun po sa ating kabilang channel, Babaylan TV, dyan po tayo nagla-live, no? So pwede po kayong magtanong doon, pero kung hindi nyo po maabutan, pwede naman po kayong magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot, dumiretso po kayo dun sa ating website. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code, amount per questions for your reference. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Na? So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. I'm seeing Taurus, Sagittarius, Virgo, Pisces, Scorpio, Leo, Aries. Did I just mention Sagittarius? Yes, Capricorn. Ayan, so this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.